Speedway or the one I get? I kind of hope Cristian because. Yeah.
Ready to have some fun?
You better be extra.
Ready?
I hate when people say that. I hate when people say that.
That's our 4-letter.
So for anyone wondering, we're about to do a hot lap around Indianapolis Motor Speedway in an electric Mini Cooper, which should be rather entertaining.
The Delara broke down.
Apparently, yeah.
Yeah, it smelled really bad when we left.
So much for the Delara. So we got the Mini.
It corners really well. I think you're gonna like that part about it.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't go very fast in a straight line, but it does what a Mini does best.
Cornering.
Activated the cruise control. Okay, now I know not to do that. Accidentally activate the cruise control.
Yeah, you really don't want to do that.
It's actually brakes way more efficiently than I thought it would.
Oh,
under
yeah.
hard braking.
That was awesome. What's the range we got left?
78 miles. So
There we go. Ooh. Have fun.
Thank you.
Excited?
Yep.
You buckled up?
What's your power level?
We're good.
78.
Okay, good. All right.
That was a hoot. So now you know what it's like going around Indianapolis Motor Speedway in an electric Mini Cooper.